Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wally Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. Wally Budgeting App. Review my usage experience offers a personal finance management tool designed to help users track their spending, budget effectively, and reach their financial goals. It aims to simplify budgeting for individuals and families who want a better understanding of their finances. Key features appear to include expense tracking, budgeting tools, and possibly reporting features to visualize spending habits. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Wally's positioning emphasizes ease of use and intuitive design. The website highlights their commitment to transparent pricing. No hidden fees are mentioned. While direct comparisons to competitors aren't explicitly stated on their website, the focus seems to be on providing a simple and effective budgeting solution. Availability is readily checked via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wally Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The initial setup only took about 5 minutes. I simply connected my bank account, after confirming security protocols, of course. The interface is incredibly clean and easy to navigate. I particularly enjoyed the visual representation of my spending categorized by different sectors. I used the budgeting features to set monthly limits for groceries and entertainment, and the app automatically alerted me when I was approaching those limits, a really helpful feature. Performance was excellent. The app is fast and reliable, and data updates consistently. I had a quick question about linking a credit card, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the insightful spending reports that helped me identify areas where I could cut back. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself mostly using it on my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wally. It simplified my budgeting process significantly and helped me gain better control over my finances. That's my overview of Wally Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.